In this video, I'll show you how to block all ads on Android. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open Google Chrome, and then from here, click on the three dots at the top right of your screen. Now, once you click on it, you'll find this. So click on settings from here, and then on settings, scroll down and look for site settings. So go ahead and look for that into this section. And then once you find that, click on it. Now in here, go ahead and disable pop-up ads and redirects, disable intrusive ads as well. And another thing you can do to be able to remove all ads on your phone is to go ahead and use a private DNS. So to do that, you need to go ahead and open settings on your device. So once you're done disabling this part, you can go ahead and head over into your settings. So close up Chrome first and then head over to settings, and then on settings, use the search bar to look for private DNS. So search for private DNS and then hit on enter and then click on private DNS on the results. And then set the private DNS provider hostname to dns.adguard.com.